Hello, fellow prompters. Today, I want to share a super cool update for the SDI Output feature in the FluidPrompter desktop app. Right now, we've only publicly released the web-based teleprompter, but the desktop version is in the works, and we just couldn't wait to show you our progress. Take a look at this setup. I've got a MacBook here connected via a Thunderbolt cable to a Blackmagic UltraStudio device. This gives us an SDI output. Then I'm running an SDI cable from the UltraStudio to this SDI monitor so you can see exactly what our teleprompter feed looks like in a real studio environment. We're still fine-tuning the desktop app's user interface, but it's already super exciting to see this early version of our code powering the teleprompter feed through SDI. This has been one of the most requested features for our studio plan users, so we're thrilled to be giving you a sneak peek. Now, before we jump back into a live demo, I want to quickly highlight why SDI is such a game changer for professional teleprompter setups. SDI, or Serial Digital Interface, lets you run video feeds over much longer distances without losing quality, up to 100 meters or around 300 feet. Being able to send your prompter feed over long distance, low latency cable is great for a few common scenarios. For example, in a professional studio where the control room is physically separate from the studio room and on-camera talent. Or another example would be an auditorium or lecture hall where the prompter is at the front of the house and the control room at the back of the house. One we've seen a few times is a graduation ceremony where the names of graduates are prompted on stage with pronunciation tips. SDI Output gives professional teleprompter operators like you the flexibility to route the teleprompter screen through video routers or switchers like the Blackmagic Video Hub or Blackmagic ATEM lineup. Now you can instantly switch between a teleprompter script, confidence monitor, pre-show countdown, or even a slide deck, all through the same cable. This is a huge boost for anyone looking to streamline a multi-camera or multi-feed production. Even though it's still a work in progress, the demo you're seeing here is fully functional at 1080p 60 frames per second. So what's next? We plan to add support for multiple DeckLink cards, 4K output, and even transparent mode, perfect for blending prompter text with other visual elements. If you're as excited about this as we are, be sure to follow us on social media for updates, tips, and behind-the-scenes looks at our development process. Once again, I'm Ben, and on behalf of everyone at FluidPrompter, thanks so much for tuning in. We can't wait to share even more features with you soon. Until then, keep your eyes on the screen and happy prompting.